This virus is not only impacting our health, but also our wallets, and local governments are not immune from the financial implications. 10 News reporter Lindsay Kennett is live in Roanoke to explain how the city will be impacted by this pandemic. Lindsay.
City leaders state that there are still a lot of unknowns over exactly how much of a financial impact COVID-19 will have. They say people aren't eating out, they're not shopping downtown, and they're not staying in hotels as much. So they're expecting nearly $8 million in lost revenue this year. Today, City Council discussed the fiscal year 2020 budget during a virtual council meeting. They talked about the shortfalls due to COVID-19, saying that we could feel the effects for at least the next 2 to 3 years. Roanoke City doesn't want to rely on any state or federal disaster funding that could be coming in when they're balancing the budget. So to cut down on expenses, there's a hiring freeze except for public safety and social services. And the city is holding off on spending nearly $1.2 million in fleet replacement and holding off on nearly $3 million in capital project funding. Now, the biggest loss in revenue comes from a 50 to 75% loss in sales tax, a 50% decline in business licenses, 85% loss in transient occupancy revenue, and a 90% decline in revenue from prepared foods and beverages. Unfortunately, that lost money has a big trickle-down effect.
As our revenue goes down, so goes down the revenues available to the schools, as well as to, in this case at least, Visit Virginia's Blue Ridge. There remain some very significant big unknowns. Those, of course, most importantly, are any further COVID impacts and costs. We don't yet obviously know what those are since we're still in the midst of that health issue.
Coming up tonight at 6, I'll tell you what other localities are doing to address their budget concerns and a solution from Roanoke City to help people who might have trouble paying their taxes on time. Reporting live in Roanoke, I'm Lindsay Kennett, 10 News, working for you.